5 tips for Module 5. Know your processes. Those processes of meiosis, mitosis, DNA replication, polypeptide synthesis, they're all super important. Also know your basic skills. So how to draw Punnett squares and pedigrees. Again, really important. Always think about the broader context of genetic variation. So how do we achieve variation every time and at every stage of like cell division, gene expression? And memorize those examples. Memorize the methods of replication, functional proteins, the methods of inheritance, the technologies like the DNA sequencing and DNA profiling, and then be also memorize examples of how we've used this information in inheritance patterns, and link that to large-scale collaborative projects that we have essentially found. Alrighty. In terms of now applying the content, do practice questions. So there are lots of practice questions that are available for Module 5 in the past papers. You just have to figure out which ones link back to the syllabus. If you just type up, because remember, the biology syllabus had a syllabus change in 2019. And so what that means is that we need to make sure that, so that means that you only have 4 years now worth of papers, counting last year's paper, which still, better than, for example, what the class of 2019, 2020, 2021 had. However, you can find, it's still pretty limited, only 4 papers. So you can find lots of past paper questions in past exam papers before 2019, but just make sure that they link back to the syllabus and you're not like studying for anything that won't be tested, because it is part of the older syllabus, those older papers, but you'll find Module 5 stuff that you can use. Alright, and we of course have lots of questions available in our topic test books and also in our NEEP exam papers that are available on 8 Notes Plus.